Hi, Andy. What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just playing a little video game.
Andy, I need you to be as strong as a little boy can be.
What's up?
We've had some sad news.
What?
Father Brennan died. He was in a terrible car accident last night. Isn't that terrible? I can't tell you how sorry I am, son. You know, Andy, I've been thinking. You spend far too much time fooling around with this computer. You should be outside, having fun, like other normal boys your age. Let's try to be better friends. I want to spend more time with you, Slugger. Why don't we make a fresh start? Just forget the past. What do you say?